Did you know that over 60% of Kenyan businesses now rely on digital systems, email, mobile payments, CRMs, and cloud storage? But here's the scary part. Most of them are just one cyber attack away from serious financial loss. So today, let's answer one simple question. What is cyber insurance in Kenya, and why should every business owner care? Cyber insurance is a type of business insurance that protects you financially when your company is hit by digital threats. We are talking about hacking, ransomware, data breaches, phishing scams, system shutdowns, and stolen customer information. Instead of paying out of pocket for recovery, investigations, or legal costs, your cyber insurance policy steps in. In simple terms, it's financial protection for your digital operations. Now here's why cyber insurance matters in Kenya. More businesses are moving online, from SMEs using WhatsApp and email to e-commerce stores and fintech platforms. At the same time, cybercrime is rising, and data protection rules are getting stricter through bodies like Office of the Data Protection Commissioner Kenya and Communications Authority of Kenya. So if customer data is leaked, you're not just dealing with IT problems. You could face legal penalties, customer lawsuits, reputation damage, lost revenue, and operational downtime. Cyber insurance helps soften that blow. So what does cyber insurance typically cover? First, data breach response costs. This includes notifying customers, hiring forensic experts, and investigating how the attack happened. Second, business interruption losses. That's compensation for income lost while your systems are down. Third, ransomware and recovery. Fourth, legal and regulatory costs, including lawyers and compliance support. And fifth, reputation management, helping protect your brand after an incident. Some policies also cover third-party claims if your customers or partners are affected. So who actually needs cyber insurance? Short answer, almost every modern business, especially if you store customer data, accept online payments, use cloud software, run an e-commerce site, handle employee records digitally, or depend on email and CRMs. That includes SMEs, startups, professional firms, online shops, tech companies, and financial services providers. If your business uses the internet, cyber risk is already part of your reality. But here's something important. Cyber insurance does not replace cybersecurity. You still need strong passwords, two-factor authentication, secure backups, staff training, and updated systems. Insurance is your financial safety net, not your first line of defense. Bottom line, cyber threats are no longer just a big company problem. In Kenya today, small and medium businesses are often targeted because they're easier to exploit. Cyber insurance gives you financial protection, professional incident support, peace of mind, and business continuity. It's no longer optional. It's smart risk management. And if you'd like help understanding cyber insurance options in Kenya or choosing the right cover for your business, reach out to us today. We're happy to answer your insurance questions and guide you step by step.